Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So to uninstall applications, you can do it in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and second way is to do it through the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it directly on the watch, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the phone application. Okay, so to remove the applications directly on the watch, press the start button to open the activities menu, and here scroll through this menu. And basically, if you have some applications installed, they should be here on the list, basically. So find the application you want to uninstall, for example, hydration, then press and hold the up button. Once you select it, make sure that's selected, then press and hold the up button, and then scroll down and find the, it disappeared, but basically you need to scroll down and select this option, delete from device. Then tap on the check mark to confirm or press the start button, and the app will be removed. And to remove it through the phone application, grab your phone that is paired with your watch, open the Connect IQ Store application. I forgot to mention, but you need to have this application basically installed. This one, open it, tap on device, my device apps, and here you have the list of applications installed. And you can tap on one, tap on here, and then tap on uninstall. Then tap on uninstall, and the application will be removed. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.